Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Learning with Faryal, and today we are going to discuss about personality test in psychology. How we can test a personality, different kinds of personality in human beings, and how we test those personality through different perspectives or through different methods in psychology. So first of all, in personality test, we check in a personality. We test about traits. Okay, the traits in human beings. Traits are the characteristics of human being which often relatively enduring, also called as a trait that remains almost same in our personality. Traits are the characteristics which are remain same or which don't change in a personality. Like if someone is aggressive, or if someone is you can say there are different types of personality traits in a personality that does not change in a human being. So traits in personality, we discussed about traits. So there are two major types of test through which we can in psychology, through which we can test a personality. First one is objective test. Okay, objective tests include, like these tests include MCQs, a questionnaire or something, a questionized form on paper, which includes MCQs, true false. These are included in objective test. True false, Likert scale we mostly use in psychology in objective test to measure a personality, and items are called stimulus. And these MCQs, true false, Likert scale, in these scales the items which are involved in a test to use to test a personality, those items are called stimulus. Okay, those questions or items, we can say. Okay, items are questions in test or scale are called stimulus. Okay, so these are clear, because those questions are clear. Now, what are we going to test in a personality? And we know if we are going, sorry, if we are going to uh, check a personality of IQ of an individual, then all the questions or the items are related to IQ level to check that personality. And in objective test, we also use big five personality factor. Okay, big five personality factor. Those big five personality factors are named as ocean. OCEAN. Ocean mean openness to experiences. E stand for extravagant, how extravagant a personality is. C stand for consciousness, E stands for extravagantness, and A stands for agreeableness, and N stands for tendency to see neuroticism, which means tendency to see all aspects of life in a negative way. Then comes projective test. Projective test in psychology include HTP. HTP. HTP means house, tree, and P for person. In HTP, I will discuss about if there would be a person and he draws house, tree, and person, and a clinical psychologist will give some detailed description of how house, tree, person, and person is projecting his her thoughts on paper through house, tree, and person, and a clinical psychologist will see the things involved in a person unconsciousness. Okay, so this was objective test. It also includes TAT. It means thematic a perception test. These tests includes all the unconscious thoughts of a person that he draws on a paper, and clinical psychologist will see what he draws in which way he will give interpretation of these things. Okay, so these are the tests which we used in psychology to test a personality. I hope you will like it, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe the channel, like my video and share with your friends. Thank you.